Hi, I'm Andrew from GEODNET. Today, let's talk about how to use our newest product. Meet GEO-MEASURE, your handheld RTK receiver for centimeter accurate positioning. Let's get you set up in 3 minutes.
In the box, you will find a charging cable, QR codes for downloading our app and a quick start guide, and of course, the GEOMeasure device. To get started, press and hold the button for 3 seconds. Release when you hear the beeps. Next, download the GEOMeasure app. Scan the QR codes in the box or search GEOMeasure by GeoDal Foundation on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the GEOMeasure app and navigate to the Device tab. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Tap Add Device. Your GEOMeasure will appear in the list of available devices. If you have multiple GEOMeasure devices, check the serial number on the back of the device and match it with the one on the screen. Tap the device name to connect. You will see the status changed to Connected. GEODNET connects automatically once the device acquires satellite data. For best results, move to an open area with clear views of the sky. Now let's create a project. Tap the Project tab and select Create. Give it a name. Then enter the pole height, the vertical distance from the ground to the receiver as shown in the diagram. Tap Save. You are ready to measure. Go to the Map tab. Once the status shows RTK fix on the top left, you are ready to begin. Tap the Path Record button to start recording. Walk your path. The app records your route in real-time path recording mode. Pause anytime to record a separate path. Tap the Point Record button to record a point. Hold the Point Record button to record a point with point averaging. Then click on the point. You can rename, categorize, see the detail, and take even more action to the point using the toolbar below. Then export. Find your file in the Project tab. From here, you can rename or export it in multiple different formats. You are now ready to survey with centimeter accuracy. If GEOMeasure supports your work, we'd love a review on Amazon. Scan the QR code on the screen to share your experience.
Thanks for choosing GEOMeasure. Like and subscribe.
GEODNET. Mind the sky.